Hey guys, it's Cole Homan, and welcome to the second episode of Gunworks. Today we're going to be building a pistol, but you know, like another better. Never mind, just come on, roll the intro thingy. Alright, first of all, there's a couple different kinds of guns we could model our firework gun after. First of all, you have your semi-automatic pistol. Now, this is pretty standard. I mean, you know, cop movies, everything. You've seen one of these, I'm sure. Now, this works. You pull the trigger, hammer, which is back when you pull the trigger, disengages, like so, knocks some pin into the bullet, then the bullet goes off, pushes the slide back, and then it goes back forward. Now, that all happens a lot faster. I just don't quite have superhuman slide skills. But, okay, so this is our first kind, right? Our second kind is the classic revolver, you know, cowboy style. I'm sure you've seen one of these too. Now this works. The bullets go in here. You slide them in like so. Close this up, and then you pull the hammer back, and it shoots. And now this hammer just hits the end of the bullet and it goes off. And then when you pull this back, it rotates the slide so another one gets into the spot. So, this is obviously a more simple idea, but this kind of looks cooler. I don't know, it's more modern. It depends on the look you're going for. If you want a Western, then this is probably your best bet, but if you want kind of more modern, this might be better. But I think we're gonna kind of come up with a combination between the two, because, well, I don't really think we can make a revolver barrel in time, and I don't think that we can make semi-automatic. So, let's give it a go. Alright guys, so I think I've got the plans pretty much drawn up. We'll have wood here, our lighter coming out here, and then right here we're going to put a 30-06 bullet casing empty, and that fits a firecracker nicely in there. So we'll be able to use the lighter to light the firecracker and it should shoot. Let's do a couple test shots with just a tube and see how it works. Alright guys, I think we've got our shell here, if I can get it out. I think that should work quite well. Let's go do the test. Alright guys, so if I can find it in my pocket, wait for it. There it is. Let's put a firecracker and maybe some stuff to hold the firecracker from going too far in, but... Alright guys, we had a rather successful test. It exploded and well, it worked like we expected it to. So now I'm going to take this piece of wood I've got here and form the barrel. Ouch. Did you cut before I said ouch?
No, I was looking at Gabby though.
And now we're going to drill the hole in the front here that the shell is going to go into. Alright guys, so dump a little glue in our new hole. Not too much, but enough to hold the bullet in there. That's quite a bit, maybe too much, but it's okay. Too much is better than not enough. In this case, anyway. Twist it around to get it in that glue. Alright, so that is drying now, and we are going to start on the stock. The handle.
Handle.
Handle?
Yeah, it's handle.
Alright. Handle.
action.
So in the process of making our barrel, we actually made ourselves a pretty decent handle. Oh, gonna fall over here. So I'm gonna sand this down and make it so it's a little angled so we can make a gun. And now, since glue's should be pretty much, yeah, glue's drying, we have nothing else to do, so now we wait.
Attempts to film firecracker lighting fails. Struggles. Nat, get back.
Alright guys, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach our lighter here to our gun. Alright guys, it's time to test. Now it's time to test it out handheld. Not too bad. Alright, so this all worked out pretty good. It was kind of just like this, like the whole lighting inside thing. We messed that up, we should have gotten a different lighter. And the whole turning your face away so you don't get shot in the eyes or anything thing, unless you're wearing glasses. But other than that, it works kind of like this. Another thing I would recommend is don't try that whole thing in here at home. You could get hurt. I mean, we could get hurt too, but we're okay with that. We've come to accept that. Anyway, don't try it at home. So that wraps up another episode of Gunworks. Come back and check us out tomorrow.